one that Mommy got. Ah! Oh! I got purple! I'm riding my taco back at TV Squad!
Guys, if you're new to All Over TV, welcome. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the fun. And guys, if you're not new to All Over TV, welcome back. You alright, Emma?
Yeah.
Tell them what you're going to be doing today.
Today I'm going to be open Poopsies, and Mommy's going to open the yellow one, and I'm going to open the blue one.
So today, Emma going to be opening Poopsie Cutie Tooties surprise. This is how we look, guys.
All two of them is different colors that we got.
Oh, Lord.
Blue, my favorite color.
So, guys, you was excited to find this.
Yeah.
So, I have the yellow one.
Yeah, and guys, we also get this from Target.
What color you got, Emma?
I got the blue one.
Okay, so they got crunch slime, bouncy slime, water slime, marshmallow slime, and putty slime. So 1, you got to clip, snip, or pop. 2, squeeze slime, and 3, find surprise. So that's the front. That's the back. This is the front. You ready, Emma? What you want to do? You want me to cut it, or you want to pop it?
Cut it.
I want to pop it. Let me see it. I'm scared. How you supposed to pop this?
Actually, I want to pop mine.
Oh. What's under my ears?
Pops Daddy.
Thank you. Ooh, it's so pretty.
Take it out.
I'm waiting for yours, Emma.
Pop mine. Pop mine. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop.
It's so cute.
Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Coffee. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop.
Smells so good, Emma. Got it? Ooh, yes, it's so pretty. So guys, when you finish playing with it, you could put it back into the bag and seal it. Just like this. What are you shaking it for? Oh, you didn't open your checklist. Here you go. Checklist. You ready to open it?
Yeah.
So I got the yellow one.
I got the blue one.
Look at the glitter on it.
Yeah, look at the glitter.
It smells so good.
Yeah, it smells so good. Let's open it.
Oh, you gotta pull it apart. Oh, did I do it?
I need help.
Take it out, Emma. Ew, gross. Which one you got? You need help?
Yeah, I need help.
Just take it out and then.
Ooh, Mommy, look at this. one that Mommy got. Ah! Oh! I got purple. Whoa!
You got the... Oh, you got the putty slime. That's what you got.
Yay, putty!
Which one I got? Oh, do I have the putty too? Because I do not like putty, guys.
Yeah, potty, 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 a potty, potty,
I
potty.
feel like putty. I got the... It's okay, putty, but that's purple. Yours is purple. Mine's is gold. Gold, and it has stars on it. I guess it's putty. I feel like putty because it's not slime. You got yours out, Emma?
Yeah.
No, you didn't. It's still in there. Oh, yours messed up. Okay, now. These things are confusing to open. Oh.
Yeah. Mine is real stretchy.
Yep, that's his putty, guys. I mean, do not like putty at all.
Only me like putty.
The color is pretty though. It's a nice, pretty gold.
Purple.
Guys, this is the checklist.
Oh, Mom, I have a great idea.
What?
I can get a little bit of slime, and you too.
Oh, you're supposed to squeeze it like this to pop it out. But that's what it said. So you have, you get 25 Cutie Tooties to collect, and you get 25 plus slime to collect.
Mine is real stretchy.
Yeah, I'm gonna open that. This is the surprise. Let's open the surprise to see who you got. Aww. Don't look at mine. Let me open it.
Yeah.
Oh, Emma, you're getting it on your clothes.
My slime is real stretchy.
Oh yeah, this thing is. Can't. It's like sticking all to my hands. Ugh, it's gross.
Mommy, you get a little bit of your slime.
Mine came out better than yours, Emma. You messed up yours.
Mommy,
Yes.
get a little bit of your
It's not
slime.
slime, Emma. It's putty. Okay, you ready to open your surprise?
Yeah.
Open it.
I know how yours look like, Mommy.
Oh,
Green.
it's so pretty.
Mine is so pretty too.
Oh, it looks like a frog, guys. It's so cute. Look at these eyelashes. Ribbit, rib, jump, jump, jump.
Oh, look at mine.
Yeah.
Oh, I got.
Oh, I got my own chocolate. Where's my chocolate?
Oh, I got that one right here. So, guys, I got this one right here. See?
Let me see if you're right. Emma got Bang. You sure that's Bang?
Bang.
Let's see. Yep, that's Bang. And he's from the Sky Blue Doodles.
Oh, like sky blue.
And I got, who I got? Oh, she's just so cute. She's so cute. I got Hops. And she's from the Doodle of the Forest. Let's see if I get a real alternator. Okay. I got an ultra rare! Yay! See it right there? If it look like that, it's an ultra rare. Where's yours? Let me see what Emma got. Emma got. Oh, yours is a regular. Sorry, Emma. Better luck next time. And mommy got an ultra rare. Mommy got an ultra rare. Mommy got an ultra rare. Emma got a regular. You got a regular. Bobby got an ultra rare.
Ooh.
Oh, it's okay. Emma, let me make sure I do have an ultra rare though. Yeah, I do. So guys, this is who I got right here. Right there. I got Hops, and she's a ultra rare. Aww, she's so cute. She's so cute. Look, oh, she got the crown right here. I mean, yours is cute too. You don't like yours?
Whoa!
Emma, you getting it all on yours. Ew. These are cute. Emma, you just messed yours. I think you were supposed to you getting it all over. See, that's why they use the other table. Yeah, guys, we've been back the Minnie Mouse table just to do like slimes and messy stuff like this. Yeah, Emma, cause you really trying to get all of it out? You gotta squeeze it out. It says squeeze it out like this. Look, see? You open it and squeeze it like this, and it will come out. Look, squeeze it like this. Yours messed up already, so it might be harder for you. See, mine's come out easy.
Wait, Mommy probably can't get a little bit and probably can't mix it up.
I know you can have mine. I don't want it. If you want it, you can have it. Because I know you're going to take it anyway.
Yeah, because... Ooh, Daddy, roll it into a ball. Jeez. This one is real hard. Hurt. Guys, do you know what I want to do?
What?
I want to get a little bit, and you too.
So guys, I got putty slime, and mine is gold because I got a ultra rare. And Emma own is also putty slime, but Emma got purple because hers is regular.
Mommy, you get the same piece as I have.
No, thank you.
Please.
But Emma own feel softer than mine and sticky. Oh my goodness, it's sticky. Emma own is sticky. Mine is just. You see the stars in it? Because it's ultra rare. And mine is kind of rough. Feel like putty.
Wow.
So that it looked like a
So I get the same piece as Mommy's. So guys, watch this.
Guys, Emma home got messed up. Look.
Yeah.
Seemed like somebody in the store was trying to
squeeze it.
Yeah. So, ooh, Emma, how we gonna clean that? Guys, comment down below if this ever happened to you and how did you get it all off. I doubt we gonna get it off, but maybe somebody knows how to take it off.
Okay, probably. Okay, so watch this, guys, okay? So I'm going to mix it up together. See, Mommy, I mixed it up together.
Why did you mix it up together?
Because I wanted to.
Right here look like sand. Ooh, it's super. Oh, ooh, this is super sticky, guys.
Whoa, guys, look. Ooh, that's cool. See?
Just don't make it stick. It's very sticky, Emma. Don't make it stick on the camera. Whoa, you see that? Look how it's moving. See that? Whoa.
Whoa, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Like a spider web.
Even though it's sticky, it's very. It's
Oh my
soft.
gosh, it's like on my nails.
I love how it comes apart. Too sticky for me. Emma, you making a lot of mess over there. Use it like this to clean it up. Maybe that's why you probably gotta clean that.
So guys, I mixed up the slime with mommy slime and the purple.
So guys, when you finish, just put it right back in here.
Hi. So mommy, I mixed it up with my slime.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Okay, Emma. Oh, I got an ultra rare, my first one, and I got an ultra rare, guys.
And mine is very sticky.
It's extremely sticky. Ugh. So Emma, what you think about these cutie tooties? Poopsie, surprise.
Real good.
You like them?
Yes.
You give them a big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up.
Guys, I don't like it, but that's okay. It's for kids, so she could like it. It's super messy. I'm just happy that I got an ultra rare. You ready to say bye-bye?
Yeah, bye-bye. Hope you like this video. Big thumbs up.
Guys, don't forget to follow Emma on
Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.
Guys, if you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Ow, Emma. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, don't forget to hit that bell
To get all the notifications to fun. Baby, we love you
and guys, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. And guys, don't forget to go check out the rest of our video. We love you and we out.
Slime out.
You slime out.